National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hamburg, or near Pinckney, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near New Hudson around 5 p.m., Wolford around 5:05 p.m., Highland and Commerce around 5:10 p.m., White Lake and Grove Center around 5:15 p.m., Davisburg and Waterford around 5:20 p.m., Clarkston around 5:25 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: West Bloomfield, South Leon, Pontiac, Oxford, Ortonville, Milford, Holly, Clarkston.